looks like the Samsung Galaxy S10 will be a huge step by the Korean giant. We all know that the company is cooking something inside, but what's that something? Samsung has already confirmed that they will bring a massive change in terms of design language for the S10. There will be a new intelligent processing unit, stereo speakers, triple rear camera lens, and now we have an interesting news story out on the internet today about the beast. Samsung Galaxy S10 may come with as much as 12 gigs of RAM, UFS 3.0 storage and a graphene battery, but all those are speculations from different sources, so don't create a possible fake hype around you. As far as the RAM is concerned, all these reports are just because of this screenshot from an analyst report about how smartphone RAM options have risen steadily in 2018 and how they might continue to increase next year as well. Basically, it's just an analyst prediction, not a proper leak. Samsung could put 12 gigs of RAM on the Galaxy S10, but it won't, as we just got to 8 gigs of RAM on Samsung phones with the Galaxy Note 9 after all, so keep your expectations at a level, and that level is 8 gigs of RAM for S10 without a notable increase in price because of this aspect. Also, the Galaxy S10 will come with tons of new features, so it's not possible to provide 12 gigs of RAM on a smartphone. It could be there, but only on marketing gimmick, not a real smartphone. Earlier this year, Samsung announced the UFS 3.0 mobile flash storage standard, which promises to offer double memory bandwidth compared to the current UFS 2.1 standard. And now at the Qualcomm 4G 5G Summit in Hong Kong, Samsung's head of mobile memory product planning Jo announced that the next wave of smartphones will come with UFS 3.0 storage in the first half of 2019. So expect this much from the S10, and according to Android Central reports, the new flash storage will be offered in 128 gigs and upwards. We might also see a 1 TB variant as well. Samsung has been working on graphene batteries for a while now and filed a patent for the same last year. Now, according to latest reports, the company is planning to replace the existing lithium-ion batteries with graphene-based batteries, which will provide 45% more charge at a faster charging rate. There are less chances of explosions and more chances of life. This is a good technology which may make its debut with the Galaxy S10. Lastly, an investigation was started in January this year to detect if any company is slowing down their old devices to increase their own profits. We already know Apple was fined for specifically slowing down the iPhone 6 without users' consent, and now Samsung is a new member of this secret group. The investigation showed that the company released an update for the Galaxy Note 4 that was designed for Note 7, making the device sluggish. According to the statement, the Android 6.0 Marshmallow update caused multiple malfunctions on the Note 4, and Samsung increased the cost of fixing those issues. The authority demanded both the companies to display a notice on their Italian websites informing the users about the decision. Both the companies were fined 5 million euros, but Apple will be paying an extra 5 million euros for not letting users know about the nature of the lithium batteries. Investigations are also underway in France, and unfortunately for Apple, French law allows for fines as high as 5% of annual turnover or even jail time. This caused Apple fix the throttling issues and supply for battery replacement for affected iPhones. Samsung has done this intentionally and will come to know the reason very soon. So that said, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.